Last time on Ace 2E, we've learned that Winston frickin' Payne isn't afraid of poison. It's just that he's allergic to eating crow.
Mia, you were wonderful in there. I see.
Thank you for everything, Mr. Grossberg.
During the verdict, I thought my hemorrhoids were going to explode like Mount Vesuvius.
I'm very glad they didn't. I was standing right next to you. But what the? Hi, screen, come back to me. Okay.
No.
No, screen, please.
Mars.
Why? I have literally been using my computer for the last half hour. It did not do this. Now as soon as I'm on stream,
Wait,
why?
You're not using the good computer?
I didn't use the good computer because I had to change my avatar's outfit, and that is all on my old computer, and I haven't had time to set it up on the new one. I haven't had time! I am a graduate student! I will live!
9 to 5 job, and I also do other and I had time.
You didn't even change your avatar's outfit! You were ready!
And
No,
yet...
he has to change it just when you have to change it. Everybody has to change it.
Okay, I see. Back to what's important. Mr. Grossberg's hemorrhoids. But do you maybe think you could stop talking about them? I was standing right next to you. I'm very glad they didn't explode, but that's really gross.
That's rather rude.
Touché.
I mean, I don't know. I feel like talking about your hemorrhoids constantly.
Bring up my cleft lip palate.
Oh
Or my mouth ulcers, perhaps.
Ay.
Anyway, this case really made me think. What does it really mean to have a relationship of mutual trust with the client?
There's our theme for the game.
Perhaps is it we veteran lawyers who have lost sight of this?
Oh, Mr. Wright, congratulations.
Thanks. You know, I was thinking...
Go on.
The dolly that I saw up there on the witness stand, I don't think that was really her.
Phoenix, please.
We've done the full roundabout. We're back to doppelgangers.
Yes.
We might even go all the way back to changelings.
Ooh.
That's what I meant to say. You're right.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, the dolly I knew could never have said those kinds of terrible things. Maybe she was like, I don't know, a fake, or a changeling, or something,
A
possessed.
synth.
Oh boy, this poor kid still hasn't got a clue.
You need to forget about her, Mr. Wright, for your own sake, and a little bit of mine, please.
Yeah, you're right. That's probably for the best.
Also, you need to relax a bit more. Try to grow up a little.
But out of all my friends, everyone says I'm the most grown up. Yeah, that's Larry. Larry is the friend. That's not a
Turning, Mr. Wright.
big hurdle to get over.
The bar is not high. You don't even need to
Not-
limbo.
yeah, it's
on
Larry.
the ground.
Ugh, what kind of company does this guy keep?
Right now, I'm studying to become a lawyer myself.
Cringe.
That's what you keep saying.
Yeah, somehow I'm doing it on the side of an art degree, which is also one of the most time-intensive degrees I've heard.
A real go-getter, aren't you? I thought you were in the art department.
Well, yeah, I am, but there's a friend that I desperately want to help, and maybe he'll help me get over my crush. I mean, if I hurry, then I should still be able to save him in time.
So, okay, confirmation, it's canon. He did become a lawyer for Edgeworth.
Oh, we knew that.
Yes, but it's nice to have it written
It's
out.
how
and
we
stuff.
get
Guys,
over
you're misreading
Dolly.
this. His friend is red white, and unfortunately, he's on the
No.
wrong side to help
No.
him.
I see.
Say, Miss Faye, a lawyer is someone who can help people when they're in trouble, right?
Mr. Wright, I'm still new at this myself. But I think that's exactly what a lawyer is.
Is that what a lawyer is?
in video
Dylan?
game world, at least.
Someone who could help them when they're in trouble?
Yeah.
Yes, but the person who's in trouble is often the wealthy, trying to help them combat the evil poor.
Oh.
Mr.
Hashtag
Wren,
red white.
you need help.
Hashtag
Allow
red
me. Rolls up sleeve. I shall crush your renters.
Oh god. Okay, I'm still gonna do it. I'm studying my butt off. I'll become a lawyer for sure. I don't know why
Oh my
I'm in
God.
art school then at the same time. I hope we'll see each other again someday. Maybe in court.
I read that last one as, all right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do butt stuff.
Oh god. It's been. Oh no, I was doing the stuffy Phoenix, but this is modern Phoenix now. Hold on.
This is present day.
It's been 5 years since I was acquitted of all those charges, and I became a lawyer just like I planned, and managed to save my friend. But Mia has passed on to a better place, even though I see her pretty often.
Dead!
To a
Yeah.
better place?
For me, this trial brings up a lot of painful memories. I've been sitting here reminiscing this whole time, but it also brings up some very precious ones. He has like a videotape of the trial, like your wedding or like your baby's like first Christmas or something that he like shoved in the TV. And that's what we were doing. We were watching it.
Baby's first trial.
And memories that I thought would never rise to the surface again. Mia is gone now, even though I see her like every single day. But even so, I can hear her in my mind, and in
That's just-
Maya's
that's just
body,
Pearl.
and Pearl's body, and, you know, across the ether when I faint. You know, who knows?
Phoenix, it doesn't matter if I'm across the ether or in a child's body. No matter what, always believe in your client.
Wait, what was that about you being in a child's body?
What? Stop.
Never,
No.
never mind.
Stop.
Moving
You
on.
said
That
In
never
is
a
a
court of
felony.
law,
That is a felony.
you know what the context is. You've played the games.
No, sorry.
In a court of law, your greatest weapon is your belief. I thought your greatest weapon was your evidence. But what do I know? I died.
Dylan, didn't you just tell me the other day that, like, believing is the one thing you shouldn't do in court?
I mean, I don't remember the context of what I was talking about, but if you say the words, I believe, Your Honor, they're like, I don't care what you believe. It's not Santa Claus,
Yeah.
it's evidence.
That was it, yeah. That's
I believe
exactly
you
it.
mentioned that like literally first game.
You definitely
Yeah.
told me that just the other day.
I have been yelled at for saying believe before.
Oh, Dylan has
Not by a judge,
That's hard.
trauma.
but by a lawyer.
Another lawyer.
Yeah.
I keep, like, going to reach for my nose to do stuffy I've
You
got
gotta
so
get
used to
out
it
of the
already.
habit.
God,
5
could you
long
imagine?
years. Something has happened that's made me think back to her words of wisdom. But that is a story for another day. Alright. The end. Yeah! Woo!
We
all,
made
like,
it!
jump, high five, freeze frame. Thanks for watching! You can catch us live Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 8 p.m.
If you're a fan of our brand of chaos, consider giving us a like or subscribing. Can't stand waiting a whole week? Well, then join our Discord and experience the chaos in real time.
We really appreciate that you're watching. If you want to support us even more, become a YouTube member to get emotes, early access to videos, and at the highest tier, you get your little Scrimblow critter at the side of the screen. That's mine right there, little raccoon.
See you next time.